Howdy, friends and neighbors. It's old Dale Collins coming to you again today on behalf of Presidential Gardens Backyard Nursery. We're located at 3095 Dave Ward Drive in beautiful Conway, Arkansas. And our website is www.presidentialgardens.net. We're here today to offer another watering tip for your plants or your trees. It's very important that trees have sunlight and soil and different nutrients, but water is also one of the key elements for your plant to succeed. And here we have a wonderful apple tree that we have at our nursery, and we want to look at it real quick, and we want to envision planting this tree in your yard, your orchard, nursery, or homestead. What we come up with years ago, and I understand and now know that other people do it as well, but this is simply a 2-inch pipe. You can use bigger if you have bigger trees or if you'd like to, but we have this pipe and we cut hundreds of them up and for various different lengths, and we drilled holes in them. And the purpose for this is so that we could come along and run our water hose in here and fill this up. And each time that we plant a tree, we put one of these beside it, just like that. And you see those holes at the bottom of that pipe? Where does the water come out at? The water doesn't come out up here on top of the ground to water the grass and everywhere it's not needed. It actually works against us, but the water, when put in this pipe, goes straight down the bottom of the pipe and then comes out of the various holes that have been drilled in it, right where the root system is on this apple tree. And it would be the same with any other type of tree that you plant, or even a rose bush or something else. You can do this. Now, of course, we've grown to the place that we water ours now on drip irrigation systems rather than by hand and by water hose for the most part. But this will work really, really well for those that are just beginning and for those that are doing it on a homestead level. So you see where we want the water, the moisture is down at the bottom, underneath the ground, 6 inches or a foot deep, where the root system actually is. Friends, it can rain an inch out here and you rake back in these containers and it'll barely be wet down in there. It has to come a flood to really help us in these containers. And once the tree is established in the ground, the rainfall is what you depend upon. But in order to get the tree established, that first year, it's so important, the watering. It's essential that you water and take care of your trees and your plants. And a system like this, just a friendly tip, a neighborly, good neighbor tip, a pipe like that, drilled with some holes, will work really, really well to deliver the water right exactly where you need it. This is Dale Collins with Presidential Gardens Backyard Nursery with another watering tip out here this time of year in the blistering hot heat, trying to help our friends and neighbors. Remember, friends, if you plant these trees and take care of them, nearly all of them will live. And take care of them is the key. And be faithful at it. But this system right here will be a blessing to you. Thanks for watching. Well, friends, I'm back again. Old Dale Collins. Just want to wind this video up with them 5 important things that you can do to help this channel. That is to hit the like button, to comment if you'd like, to hit the share button, and share this information out there to people that it can be a blessing to. Hit the subscribe button. I want to personally invite you to be a part of this channel and growing group. And then hit that bell notification button, ding, 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 so that you will be one of the very first to get notified when we come out with some additional videos. Thanks for watching.